Youth of G.S.B Seva Mandal 69th Ganeshotsav Palithasachi. With us we have Chef Vikas Khana. It's very nice to come here, sir, and take blessings of Bappa. So how did you feel after coming here after the darshan?
मैंने कल ये प्रसाद बनाया है और कल ही मुझे यहाँ पे बुलावा आ गया. I don't know, this is Ganpati doing something for me.
And it was very nice to see the reel of Karkal Venkataraman Devasan, the prasadam, and you have prepared that. And you studied in Manipal as well. So how connected are you with that?
It's for my new restaurant, the outside two pieces are coming from Udupi. Banganga, and it's coming from Udupi. The two entry pieces are coming from there. So और मैं क्या बता सकता हूँ? It's like, for me, it's always been a second home to me. I don't remember I've never forgot to mention Udupi. It was always a big story for me, always.
And you might have visited other pandals as well, but coming here, seeing this Havan, Puja, the Rang Puja and all.
I've never seen this level of energy. This is not, I've never seen, this is not real. This is Bappa calling everyone as a family, and that is what you're doing. As I said, you are just the messenger. It's Bappa inviting, everybody, this is your home. And see how you united the whole city.
And it's also said, once you come here, Ganpati Bappa will call you every year.
You belong here.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.